A witness pulled the driver from that truck moments before that crash. It happened this morning in Bulls Gap, and that's in Hawkins County. Fortunately, no one was hurt.
Now, one witness jumped into action when he saw that train on a collision track with that semi. 10 News reporter Marissa Rios spoke to a witness about the moments leading up to that crash. Marissa?
Robin, John, again, this happened in Hawkins County, and it was just along Andrew Johnson Highway and Sycamore Drive. It's where one witness experienced something that he never thought could happen in front of his own eyes.
Reality sets in really quick. Like, oh, okay, yeah, this is gonna happen.
It's something Jason Stebbins didn't see coming.
I saw the truck up on my left, and I was like, that truck is stuck.
In a blind corner just across Sycamore Drive, the truck stopped him in his tracks.
Something just said, go back, make sure they're okay.
Pulling up to the Bulls Gap sign, he went across with the hopes of removing the truck off the rails. Instead, he would help in a much better way.
They don't have enough time.
Living just across the railroad crossing, Stebbins knows the time and direction that a train is coming. This time, this knowledge came to good use.
I said, okay, well, we need to get off the tracks. You need to get off right now. There's a train coming. And they all looked up at me like, how do you know this? Not a second later, we all turned around and looked, and I just remember the face of that train. It just plowed right through it like it wasn't even there.
The truck driver, Stebbins, and everyone who helped made it across to safety.
Once I saw everything stop, I ran back up to the tracks and tried to give the engineer a big thumbs up, everybody's okay.
AAA says if you're ever caught on a railroad, be smart.
Your first priority should be to get yourself and everyone that's in the vehicle out of that vehicle and safely away from those train tracks.
Even if you don't see a train coming.
Assume that a train is on its way.
Stebbins says a human life is not replaceable.
The truck's replaceable.
AAA says once you have moved away safely, look for those railroad signs. Each sign should have a crossing number in case of an emergency, and if you can't find it, it's always best to call 911. But the biggest rule here, guys, don't wait in your car, just get out.
Thank goodness that witness was there. Marissa, thank you.